Hey guys, it's your girl Kinky here and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome as well, and don't forget to subscribe. So in today's video I will show you a really easy but detailed method to pluck your frontal or closure. So start off by moisturizing your closure or frontal with water. This is really necessary or else you will like rip out all the hairs out of your frontal or closure, and this is easier way to see how far you've plucked. So as you can see, I'm parting the hair. Later on you will see that I will part the hair in 3 sections. So after parting, you will need tweezers to pluck your frontal or closure. The most important part when plucking is to pluck the hair in the same direction it's laid, or else you will create holes in your lace. It's a bit like shaving. So while plucking, don't pluck too long in one place, or else you will over pluck that part and you will create bald spots, and that's not cute, sis, not at all. So after plucking the first section, I'm using a rat tail comb to remove all the plucked hairs out of my closure. So after plucking the 3 sections, I'm removing once again with the rattle comb all the plucked hairs for my closure. So these are the final results. In my next video, I will show y'all how I apply a lace wig on myself. I didn't want to show it in this video or else it will be too long and anybody got time for that, okay? So stay tuned, Slayers, and I will see you next time. Be blessed.